Hey guys, this is Garrett from GarrettsCooking, and this is a how-to on how to make a quesadilla with a microwave. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take 2 tortillas, and you want to take your cheese. You flatten the cheese out. I already did this so it would be shorter. Then you just want to put this on top, and you want to make sure that it's even, nice and even. Then what you want to do is you want to take the other plate and place it on right on top. You don't want to go too much one way because then that's going to make it uneven. Alright, and then you just want to push down on the plate on all edges so that it gets nice and flat. Alright, then you take this, you put it in the microwave. For 1 minute. If you don't want to see this, fast forward 1 minute. Guys, I know this is shot with a really bad camera. It's on my iPod, but tomorrow I'm actually getting the D3200, and that makes a great video. So just wait for that, and we're gonna make some awesome videos. And that's kind of why I haven't been recording, because 1, I don't have ideas, and 2, I got a crappy camera. Okay, so here we go. Just want to take the plate off, give you this nice even thing, and you just rip it and eat it like this. It's nice and cheesy. You don't want it too cheesy, then just put less cheese. It's really good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. And this was a how-to on how to make a quesadilla in a microwave. Okay, peace.